First, this is what you will need: your wraps, prep kit, scissors, nail file, and optional top coat. Make sure you have watched our prep video and prepared your nails well before you start application. This is critical for wraps to last well. Now for sizing. Getting your sizing right determines if your wraps last or lift early. Note that one end of the wrap is slightly larger than the other. The biggest mistake people make in sizing is selecting wraps which are a little too big. Always choose a size slightly smaller than your natural nail. If it touches the skin or cuticle, even by a millimeter, it won't stick properly. And don't worry if you make a mistake. You can gently unpeel the wrap. And don't feel that you have to go extra small. Find the wrap that is the best fit for your natural nail bed, like this. Place it firmly on the nail bed and spend some time really pushing it down around all the edges. Wrap the excess tightly over the edge of the nail. Using the softer edge of your file, file in one direction from left to centre and then right to centre. You will see a white line starting to appear at your nail edge as the excess begins to separate. Don't rip off the excess. Continue to gently file until it comes away. And you're done. Beautiful nails done by you. Be fearless, be mesme.